Come, Greg. We quest once more. You know, I have half a mind to, like... But I don't think there's anywhere more... I think I just died too many times. And I was, you know, supposed to get here with more karma than I have. But I'm, really good at this game. If you couldn't tell. I wish I ate more bugs before sleeping, though, because that would make this questing a little easier if I didn't have to go all the way back. Or if I didn't have to fill up 3 bars. Actually 5 bars, because I'm going to try and fill up 5 bars. I should have just stayed humble. I never learned my lesson. Let this be a lesson to all of you. When you're playing Rain World, stay humble. Or I should have tried to eat that thing's kids and just let it try and kill me. I bet I could have hizzily hopped faster. Thank you, Craig. You're wonderful. Let's see. Can I grab? Let's just go. Let's just go up. It's children. I should not. Do not try to eat it. Why? Why? Okay, if that thing's still there, I'm just gonna eat its kids. I have to. Come on, Greg. Actually, can I leave Greg here? We'll do a Gregless run. Gregless run, see how it goes. Perhaps Greg is my weakness right now. My sweet boy, I would never insult you like that, my sweet boy. But perhaps I need a gentler touch. Perhaps I need more precision. But I know I'm in Sky Islands. I'll be able to see when he leaves me. Sweet boy, just stay there. Greg makes it faster, but... just eat him. Oh, my bugs are back. Wait. What? Eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it. I've never been down here without Greg. Oh, okay, I'm strong. I'm strong. I'm gonna get 2 more, because I think I can do that without Greg. Greg! You've come back! I promise to never leave you again, my love. Well, actually, I might have to leave you again, depending on how quickly I can get these bugs. I can just get those 2, or at least one of these. Okay. I've eaten you. Greg! Greg! You came back! Oh, you leave again. Okay. Goodbye. But maybe he's just hanging out over there. Or maybe I can eat one of these children. Oh, Greg, you're gone. You're really gone this time. Did that thing just, like, fall to its death? Okay. I have 5, so I'm gonna go sleep. Greg, I don't know what to do without you, my sweet boy. My beloved. I'm lost without him, truly. Who am I? Da 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 da. This little home is so cold. So empty without Greg. I don't know where I'll get another Greg. Because I don't remember how to get back there. But it's okay, I'll open this door. I'll open it for Greg. Let me out. Let me out. If anybody's walking down the sidewalk, they're just hearing me shout about Greg. And how I'm doing it for him. See, there's a stick there. Oh, there's a rainbow. Was the rainbow there last time, or is it only there like right at the right after the rain? That's so pretty. It's only yellow and pink though, but it's still pretty. Goodbye, rainbow. See, now they're dark again, which leads me to believe there's no bugs. I am in danger. Please don't let me die. I wish I had Greg. Especially because when I almost jumped to my death like an idiot, Greg helps me rebound. I miss you, Greg. Ah! Ah! I'm not even gonna get out of here. I'm back to square one. At least I don't have to eat as many, but... Now this is the misery montage. I don't even have a pretty rainbow to make me happy. Or just be a fool. We might have to step away for a minute. We might have to step away. I'm getting angy. I'm getting angy. It's not even like I have any other options to explore. I'm just stuck doing this just to get out of here. I gotta go. I gotta find the bugs. Oh yay, the rainbow's back. Hi, rainbow. Stick. For safety, because I've lost Greg. My safety, Greg. Go in. Maybe I'm just too eager with my hops. Maybe I need to... I almost fell there. Maybe I just need to, like, relax, you know? Just, like, calm. Let it come. Okay. At least I have a death plant. A whole lot of good it does me. I'll eat it. To feel something. Please don't fight me. can't even catch its children. Oh. Just stay humble. Just stay humble, Kay. Stop. Oh, am I gonna be able to get out of here without Greg? Oh, yeah, I'm fine. This is on me. I relied on Greg too much. He needed to go. He needed to stretch his wings and fly. Am I gonna be able to get out of here without Greg? Okay, good. Greg, I miss you. One more try for this run. One more. Just let me in. Just let me in. Just let me in anyway. One more try to eat bugs. I like knew too. When I tried to jump, I was like, oh, this isn't gonna go how I want it to. And it didn't. That's okay. Oh, that's cool. No, don't you start that danger music. Oh, bugs. So I'm gonna try and eat that thing's. Don't. Please leave me alone. That one doesn't count. I'm not, I don't even have a goal. I'm just trying to get out of here and I can't. This is the Hotel California! I was playing Stardew before this. Can't wait to play more Stardew. Bugs are here again. You're here now, too! I have to eat 2 more bugs. I have to. Don't. Yep. I don't even know how I'd get out of there, I'm not gonna lie. All the bugs are gonna be gone again, sad. Bugs, they're still here. I'll leave my little death flower there. On the offhand that I get to the next day. I hear the danger music, so I'm going to beat a swift retreat. Okay. 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 We're making progress. The bugs probably won't be there. Which means I get to do this tango all over again. Sleep, bunk. Sleep. As I horribly crawl. I don't know how I did that. Oh, I did the flip. Did you see me do my flip? That was a nice little flip. I just need one. I won't even be arrogant. I'll be so humble and just eat one bug and go straight to sleep. Straight to sleep. Bugs are gone again. But I knew that. I knew they'd be gone. Concentrated so hard. Okay, there we go. Herg. Excellent. Grabbed that. No. Foolish slug. I think I can outdance this beast. Oh, it makes horrible sounds that I've never heard before. I wasn't humble. I ate bugs. And I didn't stay humble. But I saw Greg. It was nice to see him again. I'm glad he's doing well. I'm like so stressed. I just need to get to this bed. Ooh, did you almost see me make a horrible mistake? Horrible mistakes. For everyone as a treat. I didn't eat my death flower. Oh, oh. And I'm not going back. I'm not going back to eat it. Because I'm afraid the hizzly hops, hippie hops, the jumpies might kill me. I think this is just I think I just need this third day. I think that's all I need. I don't think I need more than that. Oh, I forgot I had a Pepsi. Oh. I'm climbing back up. I'm trying to understand the symbols on the sides, but I don't understand them. They're a mystery to me. I suspect they're a combination of the different karmas. Because the very first one that I think that prompted Survivor, like way back when, that was the top karma. Reveal to me your secrets. Reveal them to me. What land am I returning to? I'm up so high that it doesn't drop water, it drops steam. I think I've said that before, but it's worth noting every time. Doing a little dance. Okay. Somewhere new. Somewhere exciting. I wonder if I ran into here before and I just didn't realize it. Huh. One long pole. I feel like I have been here before. Maybe not? Is this telling me to go down now? I spent all that... Get eaten. Oh. I should have stayed humble. This looks like the beginning. Am I back? Back from whence I came? Nope. Go away. What are those down there? That's so fascinating. Oh, I made an enemy and I don't have a stick to defend myself. What are you, most beautiful creature of the night? Ah! Oh, it scared me. Okay. Ah! Fair enough. Wait, is it not gonna let me through now?